Right, we've got a warmflow agentis oil boiler. Just trying to explain this condensate trap thing. Apparently, for every hour it produces up to 1.5 litres of water. Well, I wanted to put mine into the actual main waste and not put a little mini soak away because I thought it's quite a lot of water. It's going to be around. It's nowhere suitable for me. But on my boiler here, so here's your trap thing here, they supply a little bit of this flexible hose, which you just push in there, and then screw that up, like that. Then on the boiler, you've got these knockouts, if you can see that. See these knockouts? Right, that knocked that one out. It's sort of marked out, and I had to sort of open that up. Then that wasn't good enough, so I wanted it lower, so there's no kink in the pipe. So I made a new one there with a tank cutter drill piece. So I used the tank cutter drill. So I rehashed this. This was the original washing machine pipe that went down at an angle there, going across there like that. That angle, similar to that there. I bought a T-piece there. Bought an adapter, which is a 40mm to 22mm solvent weld. Right, this is 22mm pipe. Little 22mm joins, and what you have to do is you have to abrade them, clean them with some sort of alcohol wipe or thinners, then you put glue on there and put them in. But you've got to make sure everything's in place before you start gluing things up, so work it out before you do stuff. Anyway, these are 40mm join across there, and obviously you want it on a slight decline going down, so the water's going to soak away like that there. Now I drilled through the wall 22mm SDS bit, as you see, still slight on a slight decline. That ends in there. I didn't want too much of this condensate pipe exposed on the outer wall in case you get frost, but I could always put some insulation around this, stop it freezing up. This is never frozen up, this is for the washing machine anyway. I'll show you inside. So, I mean, you plan yours the way you want to do it. But this is what I used. SDS 22mm drill bit like that. So drilled through the wall. Work things out first. You need that decline sort of thing, or incline, whatever you want to call it. But these are the connections you get, either 90-degree ones or 135-degree ones, and obviously I've got to connect that up going round the wall like that. Got this wooden structure in the way here to my pipe there. So this is the way I've been taught to cut and mark a pipe. Right, that's in with pencil mark. Then you get your tape measure. So, right. Wrap it around there like that, and then get your pencil and mark it all the way around. You get your pencil then and mark that all the way around on that line. That's all you have to do. And once you've marked it, you need a fine tooth saw, like so. Follow your line round. After you've cut it, any burrs you can clean off run it around with a knife, clean that up, or a little bit of sandpaper or a file. So there's the bit I measured and cut. 135-degree bend, short piece there to there. I'm going to have another short piece in there, like that. It's all on a slight slope. Right, and then that, I'm going to measure and cut that, and that's going to push in, see my hard plastic PVC pipe, and you push that into the clear pipe. And if you want to go one up on that, you can put like a Jubilee clip round it. So I'll force that plastic pipe into there and put a Jubilee clip on there just to secure it, or zip tie, something like that. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. To put the make it easier to get that on, use a hair dryer. Makes it more supple, and then you can squeeze the pipe in there, sort of keep turning it, squeeze the pipe. I'm going to put that in probably 1.5 inches, something like that, or 1 inch, and then even just to tie a Jubilee clip or tie strap. Then I'll put a little join on here somewhere, and over to here. Need another piece of pipe join on there. Look, all on the incline there. See it? Slightly going downhill. That'll go in there quite nicely then. Get a piece of sandpaper. Do solvent weld. You've got to circumferentially braid it like that round, and on the inside of the joining pipe do the same on there. Then use some thinners, clean it off, or alcohol wipes, and see that slides over like so. And then do that with all your other connections before you glue anything, and then once you're happy, then you can go ahead and glue it all and put it all in as you go. Right, it's connected up. I haven't glued it yet. If you want to mark them before you glue it, so you know exactly how to put them back, just a little mark there, then you know the angles got to line up. Same here if you want to. You won't lose the angles. Like that. See? I mean, I'm going to do mine as I go. I'll probably start this end and glue that piece on. I can diss that off there, because that's that flexible pipe there, so I can start this end. Right, you got your solvent. There is solvent weld cement. Sometimes comes with a little brush, handy, look. And then just paste it around the pipe like that, you see. And I can line up that one there, push it all the way in. Same thing here, all the way around the pipe like that. Well done. Push it all up. Any excess you can wipe off with a piece of cloth. Any excess just go round with a piece of cloth there, but see, like that, look. I can do this side and work my way around till I get to there. Right, okay, all glued up.